Hello, welcome to our latest video where we'll dive into our portfolio strategies. Today we're zeroing in on some lesser known markets, coffee futures and cocoa futures. These are part of the soft commodities class, which also includes sugar, cotton and orange juice futures, all traded at the ICE exchange. These markets are super interesting because they really don't move in sync with the stock indexes. Even though they're not that well known, they could well fit into your portfolio. With that said, I'm one of the coaches at Unger Academy. We teach you how to build automated trading strategies for all futures markets. Let's now move on to analyze the first of two strategies. This strategy trades cocoa futures on a 5-minute time frame using a secondary data series with a daily time frame. It's a classic trend following strategy that jumps in on breaks of the previous day's highs or lows and usually holds positions for a few days unless it hits a stop loss or profit target sooner. Just a heads up, this market, like other soft commodities, really responds well to trend following strategies, even with simple entry triggers like the ones we use in this system. So you don't need super complex codes or strategies to make a profit. In this case, the strategies trades are filtered through specific patterns from our proprietary libraries and volatility filters. Now let's take a look at the metrics. We see that the system has made around $103,000 from 2010 up to now, with a pretty low maximum drawdown of just about $5,700. In the periodical analysis, we see all years have been closed at a profit, except perhaps 2020, which ended with very limited gains. Looking at the average trade, we're seeing it around $184, which is pretty solid, especially since cocoa futures aren't exactly one of the bigger futures contracts out there. As usual, let's take a look at the equity line, which is really impressive, especially this past year. It's done exceptionally well on the long side, boosted by a significant rise in the raw material prices, just like we can see in the buy and hold section. Now let's take a look at the second strategy, focusing on coffee futures. This one also operates on a 5-minute time frame, and it encompasses a secondary data series using a daily time frame. It's a trend following strategy similar to the cocoa one, but it's designed for intraday trading. The entry triggers involve breaking the highs and lows calculated on a number of end days. The trades can only be opened during a specific trading window, and they are held until the end of the session. It should be noted that, like with cocoa futures, the sessions for this instrument are not long. Indeed, they are quite short, lasting just a few hours. This means the highs and lows that are generated between one session and the other are significant levels because there is enough time between sessions. Therefore, breaking these levels generally produces good entry signals. As with the other strategy, the trades are also filtered through some patterns from our proprietary libraries to filter out the least profitable trades. Checking out the performance report, you'll see that from 2010 to now, the strategies pulled in about $150,000, with a max drawdown of just $7,400. Digging into the periodical analysis, every year's come out on top, no losing years at all. And if we zoom in on the average trade, which is a key metric in trading strategy analysis, the system's ranking is almost $180 per trade, which is stellar for an intraday strategy that only keeps positions open for a few hours. Lastly, a quick peek at the equity line shows it's really impressive, especially how it's been cranking out profits in the backtest, with a noticeable boost post-COVID from 2021 to the present. Well, that's all for today. If anyone among you is interested in learning more about the world of trading systems and automated strategies, I suggest clicking on the link in the description of this video. From there, you can watch a free presentation by Andrea Unger, get our best-selling book, The Unger Method, for just the shipping costs, or even book a free call with a member of our team. If you like the video, please leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to stay updated with our content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.